This is episode 4, and today we're going to be doing some crazy shit on my van. My Sprinter came without any windows at all, so I'm going to have to install them by myself to get air flowing through the van and also more light inside of the van because it's pretty dark inside. Scheiße. Fuck. Quick side note, for the vents, every YouTuber ever uses the Max Air fan. But I looked at that thing and I was gonna get it, but it's just so big that it uses up a bunch of space on your roof. And I want solar as much as possible, so I decided to get the one from Thule because it's way smaller and then I can put more solar on, which is better in my opinion. So installing this thing was not easy at all. It's probably the most challenging thing I've done on the van so far, but I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and I kind of figured it out. While I was sealing this thing, my brother started screwing in the vent from the bottom with the wooden frame, and that's when things started going bad. Basically, we over-tightened the screw and it broke in half, and one half is inside of the vent, so the vent isn't secured properly because I decided to say, fuck it, it'll be fine. Just a quick word of encouragement because I know I was scared to do this. This is the part we cut out, and if you look closely, it's not a perfect square, and this is far from perfectly straight. So it can work out even if you don't do it perfectly, so don't worry, just do it. Alright, that's it for today. If you like van content, there's a bunch more across all of my social media platforms, so check that out, and we'll see each other in the next episode.